Did you know a royal wife was secretly buried alive for 32 years because of one love letter? In 1682, Princess Sophia was forced to marry her cousin George, the future King of Britain. Their marriage was cold and loveless. 12 years later, Sophia fell deeply in love with Count Philip, a handsome Swedish nobleman. They wrote passionate letters, stealing moments together in the shadows of the palace. But George discovered their secret. One night, Philip simply vanished. His body was dissolved in lime, erasing him forever. George's revenge didn't stop there. He had Sophia dragged to Alden Castle and locked away. Her children were forbidden to see her. Courtiers were banned from even speaking her name. Officially, she was declared dead. For 32 years, she lived as a ghost in her own prison. Her rooms remained sealed, her belongings untouched, as if she had never existed. The cruel irony? George openly kept multiple mistresses while punishing his wife for a single affair. Sophia died in 1726, finally free from her living tomb.